This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive for beginners. Before you even start the engine, a few simple checks ensure your safety and readiness. Make sure your seat allows for easy pedal reach and clear visibility. Adjust your mirrors to see the areas behind and beside your vehicle without straining. Confirm that all passengers have their seatbelts fastened and that every door is securely closed. These quick steps create a much safer environment for everyone inside the car. Once you are seated comfortably, take a moment to understand the main controls. Identify the accelerator, brake, and the steering wheel along with the gear shifter. To start, ensure your foot is on the brake, then turn the key or push the ignition button. Select Drive for automatic cars or engage first gear for a manual, then fully release the parking brake. This sequence prepares your vehicle for safe operation. Smoothly controlling the pedals is crucial for a comfortable and safe driving experience. Apply the accelerator with a light, steady pressure to increase speed gradually. When you need to slow down, gently press the brake pedal, increasing pressure progressively until you reach your desired speed or stop completely. Always look ahead at least 3 to 5 seconds to anticipate traffic changes and braking needs. This foresight helps maintain a consistent, secure journey for everyone. Effective steering is key to controlling your vehicle's direction safely. Keep both hands on the steering wheel, generally at the 10 and 2 o'clock or 9 and 3 o'clock positions for optimal control. When turning, use the push and pull technique for smooth, fluid movements. Always activate your turn signal well before you intend to turn or change lanes, giving other drivers ample warning. Approach turns at a reduced speed to maintain stability and prevent skidding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.